Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this book that we got for my father-in-law for Father's Day. So he likes watching birds and everything, and his bird feeders and stuff. So we got him this book, Birds of the Carolinas Field Guide. So this is organized pretty well, pretty simple to use. So basically, if you see like a bird that is brown in color, you can go to the brown bird pages that start on page 119, as you see here. And what's nice is it's got these quick tabs up here so you can find them quickly if you don't want to refer back to this table of contents right here. So if you see an orange one, you can go to page 315, or you just find the orange tabs real quick, which is pretty cool. And then here's what it tells about each bird. So basically it says size, what males and females look like, juveniles, their nests, their eggs, incubation, fledging, migration, food, and then what they're comparable to, and then some other notes by the author, as you can see on each one of them here. And then it kind of tells the region that they're in the Carolinas. So here's a little bit about the author on the back page, as you can see there. Just a nice little read. Here's where the pages are numbered down here, but that's about it. It does have pictures, some good pictures of each bird, as you can see here as I'm flipping through it. There you go.